Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a law you would like to introduce in your country. You should say what law it is, what changes this law brings, whether this new law would be popular, how you came up with the new law, and explain how you feel about this law. So as you all can see, there are 5 questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these 5 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Laws and legislations play a significant role in every nation as they help to protect citizens against any kinds of injustice and ensures equality for all. And today, I would like to speak about the introduction of a law to provide free health care to all citizens. So as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given the examiner a little bit of an introduction and also clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to speak about. So injustice means any kind of ill treatment. Ensures means to make sure. Equality means equal rights for everyone. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, this new regulation would be greatly beneficial to my country as a large part of the Indian population falls below the poverty line and hence are unable to afford even basic medical care and services. So beneficial means useful. Below the poverty line means poor. A large part of our population unfortunately is poor, right? So that's what we are saying here. Because they are poor, they are unable to even get access to basic medical care and facilities. Okay. Additionally, it will also be popular among the general masses as medical facilities and treatments are quite expensive and availability of cost-free treatments would be a boon to all as well as help in saving costs for other essential amenities like food, water, clothing and shelter. Besides that, I thought about the implementation of this law, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic, where a large number of people died because they did not have money to even visit a doctor and buy medicines in a timely manner. So, we have given a very relevant and thorough elaboration for the third and fourth question, which is whether this law would be popular, and the fourth one, which was how you came up with the new law. So we all saw that during the COVID-19 pandemic, a lot of people did not even have the money to go and visit a doctor, right? And to buy basic medicines. By the time they were getting access to it, those people or their family members, they already died, they passed away, right? Which was quite sad. So that's what we are saying, that this law actually came up from that scenario. Okay. The last question, which is explain how you feel about this law, still remains. So let's answer that. Finally, I feel quite positive about this law as it will reduce the income inequality gap and lead to a healthier population and a reduction in the prevalence of chronic diseases. So income inequality gap means it will reduce the gap between the rich and poor. Since free healthcare will be available for all kinds of people, it will reduce the socio-economic gap of rich and poor people. Okay. Prevalence means spread. So obviously, if people are having access to free healthcare, they will be remaining healthy, right? They would be able to go for regular health checkups and they will remain healthy, which will also lead to a decrease in the spread of diseases, right? Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.